significant step. The ex-Prime Minister, Devagowda's grandson and Hassan sitting MP, Prajwal Revanna, has been suspended amid sexual abuse allegations. The former Chief Minister and Revanna's uncle says that he's been suspended until the SIT probe reaches a conclusion, and that if he is found to be guilty, then he will be removed permanently from the party. Remember, this comes after H.D. Kumaraswamy had earlier said that the party is not going to protect him and called upon the government to expose the real picture. The JDS says that they will support the probe in any way that they can. Reiterating that the alliance remains strong, the JDS says they are working along with the BJP for the upcoming phases of the Lok Sabha elections. Now remember, Prajwal's father, H.D. Revanna, has defended his son, calling the entire saga a conspiracy. Sitting MP Prajwal Revanna is on a foreign trip, reportedly to Germany, and the National Commission for Women has sent a letter to the DGP of Karnataka demanding swift action from authorities to apprehend the accused and submit a detailed report within 3 days.
SITಯ ತನಿಖೆಗೆ ಆದೇಶ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಿಂದ ಆಗಿದೆ. SIT ತನಿಖೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವರದಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಕ್ರಮ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ನಾವು ಸಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಿಷಯ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂತಿದೆ. ಈ ಘಟನೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬಲವಂತ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಹೋಗಿ SIT ಮುಂದೆ ನೀವು ಕೊಡಿ, ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಡ್ಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
In the midst of the elections, this is something that nobody had expected. The first finger that Mr. Kumaraswamy points is at you, sir. He says that Mr. D.K. Shivakumar has always been attacking my family, and the timing of this video being released is now being questioned, sir. How are you viewing this?
Why should I attack his family? They are attacking us. They have filed case against my wife, my sister, my brother, me. Lot of harassment have gone through last 40 years.
You said that this is the 6th guarantee of the Congress party. To release the video on 21st has been the 6th guarantee. But at the same time, sir, he's also distanced himself from this entire thing, saying that this is not a part of my family. Yesterday, Mr. H.D. Revanna admitted that this was a video almost 4-5 years old. Why is the Congress filing a case now?
I don't know about it. It is between the woman who has been done. It is the media friend who exposed. It is the woman who had done, who had been accusing, filed a complaint before the Women Commissioner, and it is between them. Congress government or state government, police department is doing its law as per whenever they got the information.
If the government of Karnataka had this evidence with them for so many days and months, why were they not doing anything, and why were they not prosecuting this case? Why were they not protecting the women involved? These are legitimate questions that should be asked. Why is this Congress party demonstrating repeatedly double standards when it comes to crimes against women? Why Sandesh Kali is not an issue to be condemned? Why Neha Hiramat in Karnataka is not an issue to be condemned? Why is it that Congress party selectively, politically chooses crimes and criminals to either support or condemn? Our party is very clear. On this issue, we will absolutely push for the full might of the law to be applied against whoever is guilty.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी का घिनौना और विभत्स चेहरा पूरे देश के सामने आ गया है. भारतीय जनता पार्टी को प्रज्वल रेवन्ना के दुष्कर्मों का एक महिला के साथ नहीं, 2 महिलाओं के साथ नहीं, हजारों महिलाओं के साथ किए गए दुष्कर्मों का जवाब देना पड़ेगा. सबसे पहला सवाल जो पूरा देश भारतीय जनता पार्टी से पूछ रहा है कि इन दुष्कर्मों के बारे में आपको पता था, आपके पार्टी के नेताओं ने इस पर चिट्ठियां लिखी थीं, लेकिन इतने दुष्कर्मों के बारे में पता होने के बावजूद आपने प्रज्वल रेवन्ना को टिकट क्यों दिया? दूसरे सवाल का जवाब देना होगा भारतीय जनता पार्टी को कि प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी प्रज्वल रेवन्ना का प्रचार करने क्यों गए? जो तीसरा सवाल भारतीय जनता पार्टी से देश पूछ रही है कि ऐसे दुष्कर्म करने वाला आदमी देश छोड़ के कैसे भाग गया? आपकी पूरी केंद्र सरकार, आपका पूरा कस्टम्स, आपका पूरा एयरपोर्ट लॉ इन्फोर्समेंट, आपका पूरा CRPF, आपका पूरा एयरपोर्ट पुलिस फोर्स, ये सब होने के बावजूद प्रज्वल रेवन्ना देश से कैसे भाग गया?
A union